Oh, see me. Wow, what's up? Pancake, banana pancake. All right, Sevy's turn, and we're gonna cook them. Okay? Sound good?
You can't cook them.
Yeah, you can. All right, your turn. You mix it a little. See, there's a banana and 2 eggs. And we're gonna have olive oil.
No, to make it.
You and your golf. Look, golf's on. Good? Ready to cook? All right, bring it over, Sevy. Come on. Come on.
What's that?
It's banana, bud.
No, look at that.
Yeah, it's a banana.
No, it's not a banana.
Egg. Come on, bring it over. Let's go.
Yes, sir.
Alright. Put that right here for now. We gotta put some oil. We got some imported Italian olive oil. You like that? Let's see what it smells like. Smells like oil.
No.
We put that in there on the bottom.
Please?
We put that on the bottom so we don't stick. Okay? Sound good?
Can I?
Hold on. We'll get something to stand up on. Come on. I'm going to turn this on. Right rear. Medium. Alright, go ahead. Let's get a spoon. Big spoon. There's a big spoon.
I can't. And the cow.
Not coming up. Alright, Sevy, you want to make this or what?
Yes. And the cow.
No, get a spoon. Oh, come on. You're spilling it, Quebec.
And the cow.
Alright, I'll fix it. Here. Alright, get a spoon.
Yeah?
Alright, you gotta dip it.
Yeah?
Alright, let me dip. And let's put it in there. Oh, it's spilling all over. Alright, let's wait. We'll do one, see what happens.
No, can I see?
See? Little pancake.
Yeah, you pancake.
We'll see how it cooks. Alright, go sit. We'll wait. Ah.
No, you can't.
Messy. It's almost like egg with banana and anything else, but banana pancake with a little syrup. A little plate. Ah, pardon me. I gotta flip it.
That was my job.
No, it's too greasy, bud. You get burned. Too dangerous, buddy.
Mom, give me the spatula and flip it over.
Okay, you gotta be careful, bud. You gotta be careful. Making your pancakes. They got squished.
I think we will do that.
Get out of the kitchen, buddy.
Why
Alright, Sevy. Let's try it. Show you the pancake. Need a fork? I'll make it for you.
That's not the white pancake.
It's little. It's not circular. Try it. See what you think. You want pancake?
Yeah.
We'll make one. Yeah, try it.
Here. What is it doing?
It's little. You gotta eat it.
Good. It's good.
Good?
Yeah. He
me
did
taste.
it.
Banana. You want a piece, Kibit? Let's make one for you.
Can I have more?
You want more? No.
It's so delicious. Can I have a big one,
Hold on.
please?
Oh, shoot.
What happened?
There's oil on a plastic cup. Not good. Alright. You had none, Kibit? We'll make one for you too, Kibit.
Mom stays. Yours stays delicious, and Mommy stays really delicious,
Okay, bud. That's good.
but not yours.
Mine's not delicious?
No, just a little bit delicious,
Okay, buddy.
but it's so good.
Okay, Kibit.
Yeah.
Sit. Alright, you'll get it's cooking. You won't get none and you go night night.
Is it a big one?
Mm-hmm.